Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung rating natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pahit na lang ng subscribe po at notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and share. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag personal reading at gusto mo magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader na lang, ano? And feel free to follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan, makaka-avail kayo ng mga products sa akin dyan, mga pampaswerte. Ayan, and protection, meron din. Yung mga crystal natin dyan, crystal bracelet, may free po yun na palm reading, okay? Yung mga nakalagay na lang po dun kung may free na palm reading. Check nyo na lang po. Let's start your reading. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. You do have here the Tower, Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups, Page of Cups. I feel like for what I can see here, may mga bagay na parang nakikita natin na parang ini-end mo na. And I feel like pagdating sa love, there's some kind of an ending din na nangyayari. For some of you, maybe may kinalaman dito sa ex or past person. Yeah, you're really ending this. Parang ayaw mo nang isipin tong taong to. Gusto mo nang gumaan yung loob mo. Or mawala siya, mabaga sa isipan mo, sa puso mo. This person, yeah, the Ten of Swords is here. So, yeah, this could be an ex-person, ex-lover, or maybe, yeah, you're trying to move on from this past person. And then, nakikita natin na parang nagfo-focus ka na lang sa kung ano yung nasa harapan mo ngayon. Like, maybe your priorities, maybe may mga bagay ka rin pina-priority ngayon. Tapos, may nakikita din tayo dito na parang once ginawa mong priority itong bagay nito na may kinalaman sa iyong career, pero for now, parang ini-end mo na or gusto mo na mag-end, napapagod ka, parang gano'n, nai-stress ka. So, it's like you're under pressure and ayaw mo ng gano'n. So, may nakita rin tayo na regarding sa iyong career. So, what is this main energy naman na may kinalaman sa iyong love? Person na parang interested ka dito sa person na ito, nakakaramdam tayo ng ganon. But tell me, who is this person that you're dealing with? For some of you, may nakikita din tayo new person na parang hindi mo masyadong feel. Anyway, Two of Wands is here and the Seven of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Five of Wands. Ace of Cups. Yeah. May plano tong taong to eh. And I feel like tinatry niyang mag-focus doon sa kanyang work, sa kanyang career para maisakatuparan itong plano niya na to. And I feel like it has something to do with you. No? Very challenging para sa kanya. Actually, this person still loves you. Gusto ko pa rin niya or mahal ka niya. Remember, may sinabi ako kanina regarding something na interesado ka. I feel like you are trying to end yung situation or connection mo with this person, pero part of you is still interesado dito sa person na ito. Hindi mo lang siya pinapansin sa ngayon because you are busy or might be nakuha ng interest or nakuha ng iba yung interest mo sa ngayon. Pero interesado ka pa rin dito sa past. And then, with the Two of Wands, this person is planning something. With the Seven of Wands, na may kinalaman sa'yo. And, Alamin natin, ano pa ba yung emotions mo towards this person. For the sign of Virgo, please. Ano ba yung emotion mo towards this person? Two of Wands. The Chariot. Wheel of Fortune. I feel like for now you're walking away from this person. Yeah, you're walking away. And parang nagpo-focus ka ngayon sa plano mo. Sa ngayon, sa emotion mo sa kanya. Kumpara noon, malaki na yung pinagbago ngayon. Maybe you're moving on, maybe you feel like kompleto ka na sa sarili mo, you don't need anyone or anything in your life. Yeah, and for some of you, meron ka pang ibang options na nagiging dahilan para masabi na, ay, hindi ko naman na kailangan tong past na ito. Okay, and how about your person? Ano yung emotions niya towards you? Five of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. The Death card is here at the bottom of the deck. Emotion niya para sa'yo is parang ang laki nung nawala sa kanya. Yan, parang ganun. Parang ang laki ng pagkawala mo para sa kanya. This person is really thinking of you. And nakakita tayo dito ng mga realizations, nakakita tayo dito ng I don't know, you feel like parang hindi ka niya kailangan pero deep inside, etong taong to, kailangan ka talaga niya eh. Doon niya naramdaman or na-realize na parang kailangan pala talaga kita. Parang ganun. Problem with money is the main problem kung bakit hindi makatake ng actions etong person na ito. Regarding money, yun nakikita natin. Parang hindi pa siya complete or nakakaranas siya ngayon na paghihirap, guys. So, ano yung future for the both of you? For the sign of Virgo. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords. Four of Cups and the World is here. Yeah. Ten of Wands and the Five of Cups. So, I feel like in the near future, there's definitely separation sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito with the Four of Cups. You will be resting in the near future. Kasi, I can see problem, family, health-related problems, alin man doon. Page of Wands, I can see communication sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito, but maybe may kinalaman lang yun sa mga challenges na pinagdadaanan mo, which is, pwede nga may kinalaman sa career, or may kinalaman sa family, or may kinalaman sa health. So, alin man doon. I can see you communicating to this person in the future na may kinalaman sa mga bagay na yun regarding sa problema mo. And then this person, with the Five of Cups, I can see a lot of sadness, a lot of sorrow. Nandiyan naman siya para damayan ka. With the Ten of Wands, this person is there na parang andito pa rin naman ako eh. Hindi man ako nawawala. Maybe to give you advice or to make you feel na parang okay lang. Parang ganun. Huwag ka masyadong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Kumbaga, itong person na ito is like may communication sa inyo pero not regarding emotions or whatsoever. Pero pwedeng may kinalaman nito sa If you need someone to talk to, I'm here. Parang ganun. So, nandiyan pa rin siya. What is the advice? Overall advice for Virgo? The advice for you is the Moon, the Magician, and the Three of Cups. Yeah. Alam mo, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na hindi mo kailangan itong taong to. Kasi definitely, kailangan mo siya. Hindi man physically, in this physical world, alam mo yon. Pero maybe, yung spirit mo is still needs this person. Maybe you're dealing with a soulmate. And part of you, kailangan mo pa rin itong person na to. Parang hindi mo siya kailangan ipagtabo yan. Kasi spiritually, nagiging mas better kang person because of this person. So, kahit papano, wag mo i-neglect yung person na ito. Maybe you need to reconcile. Maybe you need to appreciate man lang yung presensya niya. No? And, I mean, you're being the runner here. Yung person mo, I don't see na siya yung nagra-run, but I feel like wala siyang ginagawang actions. Okay, magkaiba yun eh. Magkaiba yung pinagtutulakan dun sa wala talagang ginagawang actions. Parang naka-steady lang. Maybe waiting for a chance. Maybe waiting na magkaroon ng pintuan para sa kanya. You know what I mean? Kasi hindi naman siya talaga tumatakbo. If you feel like he or she is the runner, hindi siya runner. Ang totoo niyan, wala siyang papasukan sa buhay mo. Maybe you are being the runner, pero hindi mo yun sinasabi sa sarili mo na, hindi, ako ang chaser dito eh. Pero, ang tanong, may pintuan ba siya na pwede pasukan? Nagigets mo yun? Kasi hanggat hindi mo ino-open ang buhay mo para sa kanya, hindi naman siya papasok. Or kung hindi mo siya bibigyan ng way para makaraan papunta sa buhay mo. For some of you, if there's a third party situation, maybe the third party is still blocking the way. Yun yung nakikita natin dito. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.